Good day, everyone. My name is Krishan A. Tapos, and my topic for today is all about sports in the Philippines. So, back in the old days, due to lack of exposure to professional sports, the games commonly played by children of the Philippines are very simple. So, the first one is ang patentero. So, ang patentero is a traditional Filipino children's game, also known as hanggang taga or tubigan. It is a popular outdoor game where two teams compete on a rectangular grid, trying to score points by tagging the opposing team while they try to cross the line. So the second one is ang luksong baka. So kani siya, ang meaning ani kay jump over the cow. So mo na siya in Tagalog term. And then ang luksong baka is a traditional Filipino game involving players jumping over a designated person who is crouching down, acting as the cow. The goal is to successfully jump over the baka without touching or falling over. So the next one is ang Chinese garter. So itong mga bata pa ta nagadula na jud tag inani di jud na mawala sa eskwelahan. So mao ni siya ang popular Filipino jumping game played with a rubber band or garter held by two players. The game involves players jumping over or under the garter as it's progressively raised or lowered, requiring coordination, flexibility, and agility. So ang last one is ang langit lupa. Kani siya kay traditional Filipino game gihapon ni siya of tag that involves players forming a circle and chanting. The game is played by two teams, with one team tasked with tagging the other while avoiding the lupa or ground. When a certain point in the chant is reached, the game is similar to hide and seek or tago-tagoan, but with a more physical and dynamic element. So, mao to siya ang mga larong kalye or sa siya, street games. So, in here, the children had found a recreation to train them physically and mentally to be equipped in professional sports. So, over time, basketball was also to captivate every Filipino's heart. It is the most played and the most popular sports for the Filipinos. The Philippine Basketball Association was a league founded in April 1975. The national team Gilas Pilipinas competes internationally for the country. So si James Yap kay isa ni siya ka-athlete of today next only to Robert Jaworski who is considered to be a living legend when it comes to abilities. So si Yap nagadula po ni siya sa Sunmig Coffee Mixers as a shooting guard but can also play as a forward. For this, he is considered to be the most complete player today in PBA. So another popular sports in the country is ang boxing which has produced 38 major world champions in various weight categories. So the sport also popularized after the achievements of Manny Pacquiao. Si Manny Pacquiao, sikat na kayo na siya nga boksingero diri sa dili lang sa Philippines, nagakompete po siya sa lain nga country. So the Philippines also produce hail of farmers locally and worldwide. So nana diri si Pancho Villa, Flash Elorde, and Caferino Garcia. So, napoy mga popular sports ang Philippines di ay no na pinakauna na dira si football or soccer. Next is ang basketball and lastly ang boxing. So mao lang to siya ang ako ang report and unta nasabtan ninyo. And thank you. Bye. Thank you for listening.